I need something like air conditioning over here, bro.
Marcus has air conditioning.
Oh, circuit has it?
Yeah.
That's nice.
He doesn't do anything.
Oh, yeah, no, he's working hard. Yeah, he's in the office, do the estimate. He check if we need some parts. He check if we need some screws. I don't do nothing. I need a raise. I don't do nothing. How are they gonna give me a raise? Hey, you're taller than me. Can you take it out the piece for me?
Yeah. It's right here.
The longer one.
All right, guys, we got this fabulous purple wide body 1016 Urus behind me. This car belongs to a very famous YouTuber. Shipped it all the way from, I believe, Atlanta to get the perfect wide body job. As you can see, he has the full carbon kit, full carbon hood that we left the exposed vents, and the front lower lip, all the flares, the rear diffuser, the rear wings, all of it carbon fiber. The purple you see on there is actually a wrap. It's a satin metallic purple wrap. This car used to be a blue color, which was also like a nice blue metallic color, but this customer had seen like a purple Urus done somewhere overseas and really liked that. So we went ahead and did this really nice purple color. It has the Velos wheels on there, 24-inch. These are the first wheels I ever had on my Urus, and it probably is the most famous wheels for the wide body Urus. It has not been lowered yet. We're gonna be lowering this. We're gonna be adding a Capristo exhaust and catless downpipes along with a stage 2 tune. So this is gonna be very loud, fast, and lowered next time you guys see it. But for now, we just completed it. When you wrap body kits like this, it's very difficult. You gotta prep it, you gotta fit it before you wrap it. So this car was almost like 2 wraps in one. We also did the door jambs. So a lot of work went into this car. Tremendous car right here. And the Uruses are still amazing. So hope you guys like that. I'm sure you guys will see it on his YouTube channel. He's all over the place. Let's check out this BRABUS G63 4x4 again. We got very good feedback on this car. I'm gonna show you guys the BRABUS side steps that we installed now. So you open the doors and they don't open. Oh yeah, because so these side steps are actually only for the front doors. So nothing for the rear. You open the front door and you get the step right there. It has the lights, it's BRABUS, very sturdy, very high quality. And you could get into the car much easier. So that's been done. We also got an offer from BRABUS today that they are going to allow us to purchase the BRABUS Rocket 900 exhaust for this car, authentic. I said this before, any Rocket parts in the US are fake. You cannot get it. It's only through BRABUS headquarters in Germany. But we are gonna be allowed to buy one. We're gonna be the first one in the US, first one out of BRABUS headquarters to have an authentic BRABUS Rocket exhaust system. So that's all gonna go here. It's gonna be louder. It's gonna have those carbon fiber tips with the red lights in it. We're gonna be putting a B sticker on the front grille. We're gonna add some little red touches. But yeah, the customer loves the car. Great feedback. For now, it's got the stock wheels. I think they're good, but hopefully more to come on this one. All right, guys, we are standing in front of a lot of RDB wheels. We're doing a lot of wheels. As you can see, this is the RDB 02 wheels because it has this lip here, 26-inch. This is actually for Rolls-Royce Fanum, which is over there. We did another Fanum with the pink interior with these wheels. This one has an orange interior. So these are very popular wheels for us. The RDB Zeros are incredibly designed. And like you can see 26-inch and look at the concavity of it. Really nice. If you need RDB wheels, give us a call.
Usually we have a car wash guy who comes wash our cars. I don't know why today his schedule was messed up, so he didn't come today. So, and the customer's coming, he's one of our good customers, so we're trying to wash the car at a different car wash. And then Moses told me, can you take the car? I told him, sure, no problem, let me help him out. So while I'm taking the car, I see the gas lights on. I told him, Moses, there's a gas light on. He's like, he will take it and bring it back. So while I'm driving to a car wash, I get stuck on Western and Hollywood. So I was standing outside, put my emergency lights on, so people walking, trying to open the door, It was crazy. And whenever I was walking, like, you cannot touch the car. It's like, oh, that's your car. Sure, it is. Just don't touch it. The worst part was, I called Moses. I didn't even have my cell phone, so I left it at the office because it was charging. So I asked for someone else, like, please can I borrow your phone? So I call office, tell him, Moses, I'm stuck, no gas, the car shut down. He's like, okay, no problem. After 35 minutes, Santos has come. He forgot to tell Santos for 20 minutes. I was stuck there for 20 minutes.
Looking like a baller.
Bro, I wasn't looking like a baller. It was like people walking and all trying to open the door. Like weird. So Santos has come. He brought a thing. It wasn't short. So he went back again to get a new one so we can put a gas. It took me 45 minutes stand there because of Moses forgot to tell Santos. We did put $15 of gas, but this is a freaking huge car with the V12 engine. So I hope we don't get stuck. If we get stuck, this time I have my cameraman here. We have 2 cell phones. Did you notice like people are so polite to us? I think because of the Ferrari. The only thing is tripping me about this car is the like long hood. It's a nice car. Will you get this one or 350Z?
Where you got stuck, huh? Right here.
Yeah, right down the corner. When I got stuck, there was like no food, nothing.
Oh, so you got hungry?
Yeah, I was hungry. Bro, I was there for 45 minutes, literally like 45 minutes. And the 25 minutes was because of Moses. He forgot to tell Santos.
Somebody sent me a bunch of pictures of it and actually a video of it driving, like backing up and going on the street. 2-3 different shops messaged me saying they're building the car.
You have a video?
I have a little video of
Yeah,
it. Nobody's ever seen it before. And an anonymous person sent it to me. So yeah, I'll send it to you. You could post it.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.